Welcome back to the channel. If you're trading on Deriv, you know that manual trading can be stressful and emotional. Today, I'm going to show you how to take the guesswork out of the equation using the PivotCore.net automated platform. This isn't about chasing impossible get-rich-quick schemes. It's about a disciplined, automated approach to the markets. We're diving into a live demonstration of the even-odd strategy to show you exactly how this bot handles the fluctuations for you. Setting up on PivotCore is incredibly straightforward. Once you've linked your account, we select the even-odd digit contract. For this session, our goal is realistic and sustainable. We are aiming for a 50% win rate, 5 wins out of 10 trades. In the world of trading, success isn't just about winning every time, it's about having a system that manages your stake and stays consistent. Watch how the platform monitors the digit stream in real time, waiting for the perfect entry point according to our parameters. As the trades start running, notice the speed and precision of PivotCore. When you trade manually, you might hesitate or let emotions lead to mistakes. Here, the automation follows the logic perfectly. Even when we hit a loss, the system stays calm. By targeting 5 wins out of 10, we are demonstrating how a balanced strategy can protect your capital while still growing your balance. It's all about the math and the execution, which this platform handles entirely in the background. The reason I use PivotCore for my Deriv trades is the stability it offers. It's built for traders who want to step away from the screen without losing control. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, having an auto trading tool like this allows you to diversify your strategies. You can run even-odd like we are doing now, or experiment with other digit stats, all while the platform ensures the connection to Deriv is seamless and secure. We've hit our target of 5 wins, proving that a steady automated plan works. If you're ready to stop staring at charts and start trading smarter, I highly recommend checking out PivotCore.net. I've left the link to the platform and our community Telegram group in the description below. Join us to see more strategies, settings, and live results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more automated trading insights. Let's grow together.